Hi, I'm Kate. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to make a special 3-course meal that's very doable and unique at the same time. It's guaranteed to make your partner feel extra special. Ready to roll up your sleeves to impress your date? Well, let's get started. The first course is tomato, cucumber, and jicama salad. Wash veggies, then slice thinly. Peel the cucumber alternately. Slice the tomatoes thinly as well. Peel the jicama, then wash it. This is a light, refreshing, and easy-to-make salad made from only a handful of fresh ingredients. Slice jicama thinly, then cut into squares. They should be the same size as the tomato and cucumber. Save the cut-off portions, as these may be eaten on the side. In a serving dish, arrange sliced cucumber, jicama, and tomato. Repeat the layers until you've used up all the ingredients. For the dressing, though I recommend to use balsamic vinegar, lemon juice also works well as a good substitute. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar mixed with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix well with a wire whisk to combine. Drizzle the dressing over your salad in a thin stream. I like using balsamic vinegar in this recipe to get that intense flavor in a deep, rich colored dressing. Season with salt and pepper. Tear basil leaves using hands instead of slicing with a knife. Hand-torn somehow tastes better. Top the salad with basil leaves. Parchment-wrapped salt and pepper chicken. Our next course is basically a chicken meal in a packet. It's light, tasty, and full of flavor. Pat dry the chicken using a kitchen towel. In a bowl, whisk garlic powder and soy sauce together. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Flip the chicken and season the other side as well. Add the chicken and marinate. Marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Then set aside. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the vegetables. You may use whatever you have, like carrots, tomatoes, or broccoli. For this video, I used French beans and potatoes. Wash the French beans and cut off the sides. Mix some garlic powder and soy sauce again. Slice the potatoes thinly. Add the French beans to the marinade. Then place the marinated chicken breast on top. Fold up the parchment paper and crimp the edges on both sides to seal. Parchment paper seals in the moisture so the chicken cooks in its own juices, and it retains a lot of flavor. Do the same for a second packet. Transfer packets to baking pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Careful in opening the packets, as the steam may be very hot. No need to remove the parchment paper entirely to serve. Banana and ice cream and waffle bowl with crispy chocolate. Separate the egg yolk from the egg white of 2 eggs. In a bowl, add the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Mix them together. Add the egg whites. Whisk with a fork while adding to the mixture. Add melted butter. Mix well using wire whisk. Continue mixing until batter is smooth. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Pour 1½ tablespoon batter onto a non-stick pan on low heat. Spread into a thin, even layer. Move it around fast to get a nice round shape. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the base has set. Flip and continue to cook for 2 minutes. To make the waffle bowl, lift the disc off the pan and quickly mold at the back of a medium glass bowl by pressing carefully with your hand. Allow to set for 1 minute. Flip over carefully and place on a serving dish, then set aside. For crispy chocolate, it's the same procedure as the waffle bowl, except we won't mold it into a bowl. Crumble about 5 to 6 cooled waffle crisps into small pieces. Set aside afterwards. Melt chopped chocolate over simmering water. Mix crumbled waffle crisps with the melted chocolate. Combine thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into individual molder. In this video, I used stainless heart-shaped molders. Press chocolate evenly against the edges to achieve the shape of your mold. Once fully cooled, carefully remove from the mold. When you're ready to serve the dessert, place scoops of your favorite ice cream in the waffle bowl. Slice a banana into 4 halves. Place them onto the 4 sides of the waffle bowl. As an option, sprinkle chopped nuts on your ice cream. Sprinkle sea salt on top of the crispy chocolate. Place these crispy chocolate hearts beside the waffle ice cream. Put the remaining melted chocolate in a bag. Then cut off the tip to act as a nozzle. Drizzle melted chocolate on the waffle ice cream. And we're done! Time to serve up the first 2 dishes to our lovely couple this evening. The salad and the main course are looking tasty. Now for the dessert. I'm glad they're enjoying the food. Thanks, Ashino, for being my guests tonight.